I'm in Ninh Binh right now, and this is easily one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to. Check it out. The most popular activity here in Ninh Binh is going for a boat ride like we are doing, and it's easy to see why. The scenery here is just out of this world, really. And the rowers are not using their hands but their feet to row, which looks kind of funny and not very comfy. We're entering a cave. Is the Paddies pagoda, one of the largest ones in Southeast Asia. It's a very popular Buddhist pilgrimage site. A lot of people come here to pray and to bring offerings. And on the way here there's about 1,000 statues people touch, sometimes on weird spots. Yeah, but it's a really big place here. It has like 700 hectares of space, and you need to walk a lot to see everything. And it's 34 degrees outside, and we may die today. In this region they have a local specialty, which is mountain goat, and they sell it here on the side of the street also as a snack. It's kind of creepy a little bit.